Hello everyone! Looking for the best cordless impact driver to power through tough fastening tasks with ease? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing cordless impact drivers of the year, considering power, battery life, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Makita XDT14Z 18-volt Impact Driver. The Makita XDT14Z 18-volt LXD brushless cordless impact driver is built for professionals who demand top-tier performance with precise control. Its brushless motor delivers a maximum of 1,550 inch-pounds of torque and a blazing speed of 3,600 rotations per minute, making it one of the fastest tools in its class. What sets it apart is the quick shift mode, which automatically adjusts rotation and impact speed before the screw is fully seated. This helps prevent overdriving and reduces the chance of damaging the workpiece. The tightening mode, or T-mode, is especially effective for self-drilling screws, offering both speed and precision. The 3-speed power selection switch offers a high degree of control, making it easy to tailor the tool's output for different materials and fastener types. Whether you are working with softwood, hardwood, or metal, you can fine-tune performance for optimal results. Makita's brushless technology not only boosts power and speed, but also maximizes battery efficiency, allowing for up to 50% longer run time per charge. This makes it an ideal choice for long workdays where consistent power is essential. Number 4. Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1/4 Hex Impact Driver Kit. The Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1/4 Hex Impact Driver Kit builds on the strengths of the bare tool version by offering a complete package that is ready for immediate use. It delivers the same impressive torque of 2,000 inch-pounds and maintains the reputation for speed and precision that the M18 Fuel line is known for. The 4-mode drive control lets you adjust torque and speed to perfectly match each task. Whether you are working on heavy-duty fastening jobs or more delicate applications, the ability to customize settings ensures optimal results every time. The smooth trigger control is particularly useful for starting fasteners cleanly, which is vital for preventing material damage. Tri-LED lighting remains a standout feature, providing excellent illumination without casting harsh shadows. This is invaluable when working in tight corners or dimly lit job sites. The included kit provides added convenience for professionals and serious DIY users. You get the driver, battery, and charger, so there is no need to purchase additional components to get started. This makes it a strong value proposition for those who want a ready-to-go solution. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 20-volt Max Impact Driver Kit. The CRAFTSMAN 20-volt Max Impact Driver Kit is a strong contender for those who want a balance of performance, value, and convenience. This kit includes everything you need to get started right out of the box: a 1.3 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, a charger, and the impact driver itself, offering a torque of 1,460 inch-pounds and a top speed of 2,800 rotations per minute. It has the power to handle common fastening applications like driving screws, tightening lag bolts, and securing large fasteners. While it may not match the extreme torque of some higher-end models, it provides more than enough muscle for most home improvement projects and light professional work. Ease of use is a strong advantage here. Number 2. Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1/4 Hex Impact Driver. The Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1/4 Hex Impact Driver stands out for its exceptional speed and balance between power and control. With a torque rating of 2,000 inch-pounds, it offers more than enough force to tackle heavy-duty fastening without straining the tool or the user. Its claim to fame is delivering the fastest driving speed in its category, which means you can finish large projects faster without compromising precision. This model offers smooth trigger control, allowing gradual acceleration when working with smaller fasteners. This reduces the risk of stripping screws or damaging delicate materials. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt Max XR Impact Driver. The DEWALT 20-volt Max XR Impact Driver is an outstanding combination of power, efficiency, and precision, making it the top choice on this list. Designed for serious users who need consistent performance, this model delivers an impressive 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 3,400 rotations per minute. This means it can handle heavy-duty fastening applications without breaking a sweat. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.